All right, guys, so today is a very great day because it's finally here. I know you might be asking, what is finally here? So today is the day that I'm going to try to withdraw my funds from Viewpoint. I came up here a few weeks ago. I talked about Viewpoint. Viewpoint is a company which is owned by Meta. Meta owns Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. So Viewpoint is the same thing. So they build this company, or they build this app for research purposes to know which kind of AI people are using, what time people are online to gather data. That's what they build this company for. They promise to give people some rewards, in-app rewards for in-app activities, like taking surveys and things like that. So I came up here and I talked about it 2 times. I think, I made 2 videos about it. The first video was that I found the app. Second video was how it was going, and I told you guys that if I have up to like $6 to $9 that I'm going to come and talk about it, and let's see how it's going, because a lot of people have been asking me, Solomon, how can I withdraw? Now, by the way, this is not a tutorial video. Yes, this is not a tutorial video at all. This is just me coming here to tell you guys my experience when I try to withdraw from Meta's Viewpoint. My name is Solomon. I talk about different side hustles. If you want to get more content from me, like the video, share the video, do want to subscribe for more content coming your way. Please, guys, comment where you're watching from in the comment section. I really appreciate you for doing that for me. Please, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here to share my experience with Meta's Viewpoint. So let's get started. All right, so Meta Viewpoint came out at least 6 months to 1 year now, okay, if I'm not wrong, but I did not know about it. A lot of people did not know about it. Okay, so I discovered the app recently. I said, let me try it. I tried it and I came up and I talked about it. And according to Meta's Viewpoint, they said that if you have up to 1,000 points from this platform, that 1,000 points is equals to $3, 2,000 points is equals to $6, 3,000 points is equals to $9, according to what they said. I took some surveys and I got 1,000 points, which is actually $3. And I noticed that there are a lot of people that have these 1,000 points, but the problem is that most Nigerians cannot withdraw through gift card, because the withdrawal method right here is actually gift card, and it's a problem with most Nigerians because whenever they hear gift card, they start to shiver, they start shaking. I don't really know why, because gift card is one of the easiest payment method I've ever seen so far. It's just that most people don't know how to use it, and some people are so locked into Naira, they don't want to give gift card a chance. Today I have my $9 and I'm going to withdraw, and I'm going to share my experience with you guys how I did it. But if you want to see like a tutorial, do want to follow me on my cirrden account or join my Telegram community or my WhatsApp community so that I can drop the tutorial there later for you. But this is just orally. So after some time, after a little back and forth, I finally placed my withdrawal down. One thing you need to know about the withdrawal on Viewpoint is that it's actually automatic, because once you have your balance, you can just go over to the reward section and just click on redeem, and that is how you redeem your reward. You don't have any option to say, okay, let me use this one, let me use this one. You take what they give to you. So you wait until they send this particular gift card to your email. Then once they send the gift card to your email, from there you can actually redeem it. So I had $9 in my wallet and I've actually placed my withdrawal, but let's see how this actually goes. So after I get my gift card, I'm going to try to redeem it. Now, if you want to see how I will redeem that gift card, you have to join my community on Telegram or on WhatsApp. Now, I have already made a video how I can redeem Amazon gift card, because I've redeemed a lot of Amazon gift cards on Amazon. I have like 30 to 30 something dollars inside that particular Amazon account. Redeeming gift card shouldn't even be a problem. Anyways, what do I think about Viewpoint and how long did it really take me to earn this amount of money? Well, I started using this Viewpoint weeks ago. So let's see when I did my when I completed my first tax on Viewpoint. Based on this, my tax history, right here you can see they say a new program added about a month ago. Let me click on that. This was done about 1 month ago, as you can see right here. So I started using Viewpoint around 1 month ago, and at the end of 1 month plus, I was able to make over $9, 30 to 30 something days since I started using this particular app here called Viewpoint. So if I've used this app for 30 something days, and I made just $9. Is it worth it? Well, based on my own experience, now what you need to know is that you don't really put much effort. I know they collect a lot of data from you. Okay, it might not seem like a lot of physical effort, but they do collect a lot of data. They can sell it to marketing agencies, they can sell this data to companies and make billions and billions of dollars. So it's worth it and it's not worth it at the same time. If you're somebody that you don't like sharing your privacy, please don't do it. But if you like sharing your privacy, well, you can actually do it. Okay, but the payment there is not that much, and at the same time you don't do much because their survey don't even take up to 1 minute for you to complete it, and their data sharing does not even take up to 30 seconds for you to complete it. So is worth it? Is still not worth it. It's not worth it because the pay is cheap and they can sell this data and collect billions and billions. It's worth it because the time is less. You don't put too much effort, but you get the reward. As time goes on, they keep giving you less and less and less and less and less tax on the update. When I started, I get like 250 points, 100 points, but now it's steady 85 points, 85 points. And if this particular program expires, you might not even see up to that 85 points anymore. Based on my own opinion, it's worth it. At the same time, it's not worth it. If I'm rating Viewpoint, since I've been able to withdraw, I'm still waiting for my gift card to arrive, I can give them, let's give them 6/10. Okay, let's give them 6/10. That's my own personal ratings. What do you really think? Is this really worth it for you? Have you withdrawn before? Have you been able to get tax? Because there are people that are complaining that they have not been able to get any tax at all from the platform since they started. Some people even go as far as registering 4 accounts, 5 account, 3 account, which is not advisable, but they still go ahead and do that. And even with that, they are still not getting tax. Some people are frustrated, some people got angry and deleted the app from their phone, So I just feel like, man, I have to try this. Another reason why they will not give you tax is if you don't really use your phone, buy things, you are always online, you research things, you use a lot of AI, you have a lot of AI installed in your phone, you have a lot of apps installed in your phone, and your Facebook account is active. So if all these factors are in place, they want to do research, they cannot come and research an empty phone. If you just bought a brand new phone and you install the app, you might not get any tax from it. So it's just my own observation. You understand? It's just my own personal observation. Okay. So what do you think about Viewpoint? Is it really worth it? Like I said, if you want to see the gift card and how I am going to redeem my own gift card, join my community on Telegram and on WhatsApp, guys. And very soon I'm going to be making a video. There is this new site also that I found that, man, it's going to be amazing. I'm going to be making a video about it. So do well to follow me so that if I drop that particular video, they're going to notify you and you're going to be the first person to check it out, guys. Anyways, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Do have a lovely day and bye for now.